when you saw this video, you'll be wondering if it's possible to start a tech company without any tech knowledge. If you stay with me to the end of the video, I'm also going to show you how you're going to make money with this idea starting today. But first thing first, you need to understand that tech is a highly sought after industry in today's world. Like, everybody needs tech. Churches, businesses, companies, individuals, we all need tech. And when we talk about tech, we're talking about programming, web designing, mobile app development, and all the rest of them. These are highly sought after tech services that you can offer and start making a whole lot of money starting today. Having said that, let me quickly share my screen so that I can show you how you can get started immediately. Just go to www.seoclark.com. Here they have link building, art and design, content and writing, programming, which is our company primary service. On-site SEO and retention, guest posts, visual artists, social network. So our major interest is in programming. So let's click on programming. Create SEO friendly, responsive website to rank fast for $300, guys. And this guy has 100% completion rate. And then he's going to do SEO friendly, responsive website. This is like the most sought after kind of website, because nobody wants to have a website that once you search a related keyword on Google and then they are on the last page. Nobody goes to the last page to do anything. Nobody goes to the last page to do anything, right? So you want to rank fast. So reselling these services in your company, the person is charging $300. You can charge your clients $600. You can charge your clients $1,500. You can charge your clients $1,300, and you'll be making $1,000 for this service alone, and you're not doing anything. All you're doing is you're taking money from the client, and you place an order here and the person will deliver. And it's totally legit. You're not paying to the service provider directly. You're paying to SEO Clark's management. So when the job gets completed, the SEO Clark management will now send the money to the service provider. And then if you don't like the service that you got, you can get refunded immediately. That's if the person refused to make amendment or make adjustment. So it's very safe, 100%. There's other services, websites, build SEO friendly website, just like the other one, $300. This is another person. So you have so many options, so many alternatives, so many professionals that have been, working for God knows how long. I'll design Wix website and design website for $7. So this person is going to design or redesign your website for just $7. So imagine when a client is paying you $500 and then you have to just spend $7 to do the job. So you're making $493 just like that, right? Please stay with me to the end. I'm going to share with you how you can start making money with this idea immediately. Let's search for mobile app development. This person is charging $30 for Android or app and Android phone for $100. This person is going to build an Android app or an iOS app for $100. So you can charge your clients. App development is quite expensive in the real world. So you can charge your clients as high as $3,000, $2,000, and then you pay this person $100 and you get the job done. The good thing is that they still pay you for management. You still take money for management. There's a lot of things that you can achieve with this. I will develop social media app for $125. So you can have your own social media app for just $125. So I'm going to show you the other platform again, which I believe you must have heard about or used. That is Fiverr.com. You have to sign up on this platform, SEOclark.com. You have to sign up just the same way you sign in. If you click on join, it's going to ask you for your username, email address, password, confirm password, and then you go to your email and confirm your sign up, and you'll be properly signed up, and then you can start placing order for any services you want. And the good thing about this is that it doesn't require much capital because it's an online business. So the major thing that you might need is just to run ads. $5 a day can generate up to $10,000 for you. So here is Fiverr, and they have quite a lot of services: graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, lifestyle, trending. You can open different other companies. You can open a company for digital marketing, or you can merge it with a tech company. It's relatively the same thing. And you can open a graphics and design company on its own, and inside the graphic and design you have the logo design, you have brand style guides, gaming art design, art and illustration, NFT, print and design, you have everything. So these are the things you'll be listing out on your profiles as things that you do. And this is the digital marketing. You already know it: local SEO, e-commerce marketing, digital advertising, social media marketing, social media advertising, and the rest of it, e-commerce marketing, writing and translation. So you can open a company for writing and translation, and companies will be hiring your company to do writing and translation for them. Companies that do business with non-English speaking countries, you can be doing translation for them, and you'll be buying the gigs here. We've checked the website design and mobile apps, so let's look for another thing that we have not looked at. Let's look for NFT development. NFT is a quite popular topic right now. A lot of people will be interested in NFT development. More people are getting involved with NFT, so you get more jobs from NFT as well. So I will combine your art to create a unique NFTs and metadata files. That's $50. This person is doing it for $5. This person is doing it for $300. This person is doing it for $50. This person is doing it for $20, and the rest of it. So this means that you're going to create NFT for someone at the rate of $30, and there's a lot of people offering the same services, so you're not restricted to just one person. You can contact a lot of people, get your quotation, and get the one that will deliver the most job at the most affordable price within a specified period of time. It's easy making money from this, and all you have to do is to create a social media page on different social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and the rest of them, and then optimize your bio. Make sure that you highlight the services that you offer, and then afterwards you go over to Canva and design your promotional materials, your advert materials. If you don't have any knowledge about how to design with Canva, I have a tutorial on Canva, and I'll put it in the end screen at the end of this video, so you can go ahead and watch it. If you don't have any knowledge, it's quite an easy way to design a very creative advert materials using Canva. And I also have something like a giveaway where I'll be able to upgrade your Canva account, so you can be able to have access to the pro version of Canva. When you must have done your design, the next thing you need to do is start putting it on your Instagram pages, on those pages that you created, start promoting it. And then you need to get some information about the services, like website, for instance. Website has different types, right? There is e-commerce website, there is personal website, there is church website, there is portfolio website, and all the rest of them. You need to know about all these things so that you can know how to, promote it on a regular basis. And then it's so easy that if someone asks you anything about the services and then you don't understand, you can easily go to the service provider on SEO Clark or Fiverr.com, ask those service providers, then they will reply you. Then you take the reply back to the person that asked the question, and your reply will be professional and accurate. Now, some of the prospective clients might ask you for a sample of the jobs that you've done in the past. Like in the case of website, they might say, okay, can I see a website that you've designed in the past? You have not designed a website. You don't even know how to design a website. So what are you going to do in this situation? What you're going to do is simply go to those service providers on these platforms and ask them for the website they've designed in the past. And then once they send you the sample, you send it to your client, and then your client will see it, get wild, and then pay for the service, and you do the job.